guys. First potato, guys. First potato.
That look like what I'm cooking tomorrow. That's the same size.
First potato.
You have to pull it out the ground.
Yeah.
I mean, out the dirt.
Yep.
How would you know to pull it out?
When I told you the other day when the leaves start dying back, that means it's ready.
And why do it got to be under hay?
Cause that you gotta kind of keep burying it. Is that my only?
The little green thing. Oh, there's one.
You got
A big
another
one. That's a big one.
Hey. Hey. I guess we gonna eat that with the yeah, that's like that and then.
Oh, you got it, coming.
Oh, look. She got 4.
Hey.
Latrice, did you film your stuff? You're supposed to be filming, right?
Huh?
Yeah, but this one got like a little I think this one rotten. That one that one got messed up.
But still though, you did still grow. Hey.
That one's good.
Ain't that something?
Oh, I actually can keep this one
And restart?
to restart. Yep.
But yeah.
Oh gosh, that's a baby. I told you that I was gonna harvest them.
How would you know how many in there?
Wow. Normally people just like dump it all out.
Yeah. You want me to dump it out into like some kind of look like a crate thing.
I tried to grow them last year, but I waited too late to grow them, and they froze. Got a big. I feel it.
Okay,
Yep,
Farmer
I feel it.
Patrice.
Look at that.
I see.
Man, that one was nice.
Oh my God, this is great.
Man, we got a whole bag of that. Bro, that's
This is crazy.
It's so funny.
Yeah,
how they
you
keep
didn't need to
popping up.
buy.
Oh my
potatoes
God, I
today.
can live off the land. I can live off the land.
God, I can live off the
I'm
land.
about to cry.
Too hilarious.
Thank you, Jesus. I'm about to cry. Oh
That
my
is
God,
insane.
I do not have to depend on nobody for food, Jesus. Oh my God, I am overjoyed.
That is something, man. That's a whole bag right there. We good. We in there.
Lord.
Man.
And they just keep coming wild. I planted 5 potatoes
That is
that
crazy.
that I got from the freaking grocery store.
I know these were from grocery store potatoes. I just thought about it. We just like, let's see what happens.
Ooh,
Wow.
the dress going up. Oh, calm down, calm down.
That is crazy. It don't even look. It look crazy. Them Yukons, them ain't even the low end. Them big heads to high end.